Hey, Anthony here from Art, Technology, and Music, and I'm accompanied with Adam, our IT guy, junior counselor in training. We just got finished building a 3D printer by a company called BucoBot, and it came in pieces. One of the challenges, I would say, was to put this thing together because they didn't have any instructions. That was a lot of fun. So we took out all the components from the box, and we literally built this from pictures, in electronics and everything. So finally, I would say it took about a week to kind of figure it out because we've never done electronics before. But now we're at the 100% stage. So I just want to let you see what it looks like and what we chose to do, which one we chose to get out of all the 3D printers. And what we're doing right now, we're actually going to be starting our first 3D print in a minute, but I wanted you to see what it looked like. So I'm going to bring the camera over and show you what the 3D printer looks like. And this is the material called PLA, which is a type of plastic that we're going to be using to feed through the 3D printer in its motor, heat up, and go print the model. And this is Adam, and right now what he's doing is he has the printer plugged up through USB, and we had to use a program called Slicer to slice it up so the printer would see it in its term. And what kind of program are we using right there?
We're using Raptor host Mac for the Mac. What it does is it provides a host for the printer to check the temperature, to put the project in, and to start printing.
Awesome. Thank you so much. And I'm just going to show you what the screen looks like for the laptop. So here we're using a MacBook Air. It's the new i7. And this is what the actual software looks like. So can you tell us a little bit about what those two lines are?
Right here you see the temperature of the printer. You see the heat and the extruder, what temperature is at, and this is just the monitor to monitor the temperature. Here we have the 3D view to look at the model, and when it starts to print, you can actually see it. It will actually show you printing it on the screen.
Awesome, thank you so much. Okay, so it's been a couple minutes since we've been since we said to print, and I think it's what it's doing is it's heating up this little needle here that the PLA ends up. Sorry for my hand when I was moving the right here. This little tip here is being heated up, and the PLA is actually going to come through the motor, and it's going to feed it down where it's going to heat, and then this guy is going to be going back and forth, the little staging area, and that's what it's actually going to be printed out on. So we're all just very, very excited to see this. This is the first time for us to be doing some 3D printing, and if it all goes well, we're going to be printing out some projects for the store, as well as adding that to our services for the Art of Technology Music. We'll be also providing 3D printing. So I think I'm going to hit pause and restart the video when we see any progress at all. Okay? Thanks a lot.